It is the night before Summernats and the main street of Canberra is f***ing insane. Looks like the road copped a bit of battle damage last night. Just meeting up with a few of the boys now at the Arboretum. As you can tell, this view is epic. So we're going to head into the city, find some beers. Hopefully we'll see some cool cars and get some nice shots. Place is crazy. It is a night. As you can probably tell, it is the night before Summernats and the main street of Canberra is f***ing insane. We're going to go for a walk, find some cool cars and see what we can find. This is rowdy. Cheapest beers in town. Can you smash beers in the city? Appreciate that, cheers. I think we just found where all the action is. I'm not sure you'll even be able to hear me, but if you haven't heard of Fringe Fest, it runs alongside Summernats. So Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Down the main drag, and it is absolutely insane. It's currently 9:15 and this place is not slowing down for another few hours. So it's Wednesday night, Summernats hasn't even kicked off yet. Fringe Fest hasn't even kicked off yet. But we'll be back here tomorrow, that's for sure. Day one out here in Canberra at the Fringe Festival. Last night was just a little bit of a taste test, but tonight is the day that it actually kicks off. So I've got the soft tail out, and we also just rebuild the carby on that. So it's our first day out. I'll probably put that in a later video. But let's go check out some cars and hopefully find a few bikes as well.
Anyway, it's good to see.
You too. See you later.
I know that.
This is another good thing about the ACT in Canberra is you can just basically park, I assume, anywhere. I've seen bikes parking here every single day, so I'm gonna call it legal and go hit the main street. So it looks absolutely packed.
What's going on?
It's currently 6 o'clock. Cars are rolling in now. It's 38 degrees, so what's that, about 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But we're about to hit the main street, so let's go have a look. So what's different tonight from last night is now they've actually shut off the road. So from here on out for the next 3 nights is only Summernats entrance allowed. So whole road's shut off, parked up, so it's basically like a mini Summernats. So the street's lined with pubs. I'm not entirely sure if you're allowed to bring beers around, but we're gonna try. Looks like the road copped a bit of battle damage last night. I've seen a bunch of videos come out, and dare say there's a few cars getting impounded today. Not sure if you can see how big the dish is on those rims. You could probably fit a few tubs of ice cream in it. I'm not entirely sure if every car has to be road legal, but to be a part of Fringe Festival, but some of these, crazy. Big dish on any old Commodore is always the win. Got the streets blocked off and DJ smack bang in the middle of the roundabout. This is going to get so rowdy tonight. But I'm currently sweating bullets. So I think it's time to crawl into one of these pubs for a beer and keep going. There's a couple of good sunburns getting round. It is currently 6:30. And it's still 37 degrees. So I think it got well over 40 today. And that's the thing with Summernats. It doesn't matter sort of what weekend it is, it always falls on probably the hottest weekend of the year. Somewhere. Betty's Burgers was the right choice as they sold beer. But what I didn't know is you've also got to order a side of fries. So just a burger was good, but not big enough. Friday night. We've rolled in a little bit later to try and beat the heat and also kick on a little bit later into the night. Let's go for a stroll and see what we can find. Could be wrong, but is that the car that lit something on fire one year? I'm pretty sure this went pretty viral for something. We thought we would roll in a little bit later and try and see a little bit more of the chaos, and we weren't wrong. It is absolute mayhem. We've just pulled down a side street now trying to find a beer. As you could guess, the whole main street is packed. So I think we just found a table, so time for a cold beer. Ben spoke. That one's definitely the sour. Cheers. The sun is going down on the 2026 Fringe Fest. I hope you enjoyed our coverage on this one, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.